As the COVID-19 epidemic continues to inflict damage on the global economy, millions of individuals have been affected. However, many of the world's wealthiest people have done very well, like an Indian businessman named Mukesh Ambani. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon to receive many more interesting videos in the future. Ambani's fortune has grown by about $22 billion in the last 8 months. His business, Jio Platforms, which focuses on e-commerce, has attracted large investors like Facebook and Google. Apart from financial gain, Ambani has witnessed a rising fascination with his family, which has now spread beyond India to become a worldwide attraction. According to a previous study, the chairman of Reliance Industries is worth about $80.6 billion, making him the world's 4th richest person. In 2020, he will have surpassed Warren Buffett and Elon Musk in terms of wealth, making Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg the only individuals now richer than Ambani. Let's see those big business moves together. Reliance shares had more than doubled since March, according to the 2020 report, after its digital unit won billions in investments from Facebook and Google. Google has stated that it will invest about $10 billion in India over the next 5 years to help advance digital technology. In April, Facebook invested $5.7 billion in Jio Platforms. 12 additional investors poured money into Reliance's phone and data sector, allowing the firm to become debt-free by June. This was a target set for March 2021, according to Ambani, so it's far ahead of schedule. After Jio's meteoric growth in user numbers, these investors were fascinated with the firm. In 2016, there were 28 million smartphone users in India. After decreasing data pricing and a phone price war, nearly 400 million consumers have joined the Jio network alone in only 4 years. You're bound to become a household name and national obsession with so many millions of individuals linked to your brand. So began the Ambani obsession. The Ambani family is India's very own national celebrity, from admiring Mukesh and his economic empire to watching family feuds, fashion, and the family's love twists and plots. According to observers, this is the first time in India that a family that is neither a Bollywood star nor a sports figure has become such a celebrity. We talked a lot about his business, name, and fame. Now let's take a look at his early life, family, education, and some insight that will make you thrill, and you will have an idea behind his success as well. Mukesh Ambani, full name Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, is a Yemeni-born Indian business tycoon who is the chairman and managing director of the Indian conglomerate Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, the flagship company of the Indian energy and materials conglomerate Reliance Group. He was born on April 19, 1957, in Aden, Yemen. This was because his late father, an Indian legend Dhirubhai Ambani, then worked as a petrol station attendant there. Because of the growing volatile political atmosphere in Aden, the family moved to the Bulleh Shahar neighborhood of Bombay, now Mumbai, in 1958, where they resided in a communal building that commonly features low-rent 2-room apartments. Dhirubhai and a relative created the Reliance Commercial Corporation in the same year, which developed from a commodities trading firm run out of a 1-room rented facility into RIL. Ambani graduated from the University of Bombay, now the University of Mumbai, with a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering, and went on to Stanford University to get his master's degree in business administration. He left the program in 1981 to work for his family's business, where he sought to diversify the company's operations, which included communications, infrastructure, petrochemicals, petroleum refining, polyester fibers, and gas and oil production. PricewaterhouseCoopers, a global professional services organization, named him one of the world's most renowned business executives in 2004. Ambani and his brother Anil took over the Reliance Enterprises when Dhirubhai died in 2002. However, rivalries between the brothers for control caused their mother Kokalaben Ambani to separate Reliance's businesses through a non-competition agreement 2006-10, under which Mukesh acquired control of the gas, oil, and petrochemical units as RIL under the Reliance Group banner. Ambani is recognized for establishing the world's biggest startup petroleum refinery, as well as driving the construction of many cutting-edge manufacturing facilities that significantly boosted RIL's production capacity. He was chosen to co-chair the World Economic Forum's WEF India Economic Summit in 2006. The WEF is an international organization made up of some of the world's most influential business leaders, politicians, lawmakers, researchers, philanthropists, trade unionists, and representatives of non-governmental organizations that meet annually to discuss international markets, economic development, political decisions, and other issues. He became the first rupee trillionaire in India the following year. In 1985, he married Nita Ambani, and the couple had 2 boys, Akash and Anand, as well as a daughter, Isha. They live at Antilia, a private 27-story skyscraper in Mumbai that was valued at $1 billion when it was completed and was the world's most expensive private house at the time. The structure has 3 helipads, a 160-car garage, a private movie theater, a swimming pool, and a fitness facility, all of which need a maintenance crew of over 600 people. Mukesh Ambani, despite being India's richest man for numerous years, has never rested on his laurels and continues to do so. It may be observed in his efforts to make Reliance a carbon-free corporation. Ambani is also frequently quoted as stating, "Data is the new oil." This indicates a change in his priority to the IT industry. Reliance became the first Indian company to reach a market capitalization of $100 billion under his leadership. It is also the most profitable company in India right now. The company has been responsible for almost 5% of the revenue the government of India earns from customs and excise duty. And now, according to Forbes' 35th annual World's Billionaires list, Facts and Figures 2021, he is in number 10 with a net worth of $84.5 billion. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.